Español con humor. Chiste número 1. Me encantan los finales felices. Me encantan los finales felices. Do you get it? Do you really get it? So what does it mean? I like happy endings. I like happy endings. But here we've got me encantan. Now, you will have come across me encanta or me encantan. And why is this me encantan? Because it's this bit here is in the plural. Los finales felices. Happy endings. So I like happy endings. I do like this. Me encantan los felices, los finales felices. What do you think? Chiste número 2. Sí, mi amor, le estoy cocinando la cena a los niños. Sí, mi amor, le estoy cocinando la cena a los niños. Do you get it? Yes, my love, I'm cooking dinner for the kids. Well, of course he's not, because the pizza guy's just turned up. Here's the learning point. Estoy cocinando. Estoy cocinando. I am, estoy cocinando. And cocinando is from the verb cocinar, meaning to cook, and it's the present participle or the gerund. So estoy cocinando means I am cooking. Learning Spanish with a bit of humour. Chiste número 3. Necesito más espacio. Necesito más espacio. Do you get it? Go on, do you really get it? Necesito más espacio. 128 megs, 64 gigs. Necesito más espacio. I need more space. Ah, you get it now. Here's a couple of learning points coming out of this. Necesito. Necesito means I need, from the verb necesitar. And lots of people have problems saying I need in Spanish, and this is the way to do it. Necesitar, so necesito. And we've got this little word más, which hopefully you know, meaning more. So, necesito más espacio. I need more space. There we go. Learning Spanish with a bit of humour. If you found that useful, why don't you give this video a thumbs up? And if you did like the video, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hasta pronto, amigos.